Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have, of course, our friend the crockpot here. I'm gonna be making this chicken thing. It's really just me throwing things in the crockpot, but it all comes out good. So I cheated and I cut up like a quarter of a white onion. It's not diced, it's not good cutting. Like if Gordon Ramsay could see this, it would be trash, but it doesn't matter. Throw it in the crock pot anyway. Drizzle some olive oil on top of it. You don't really need to do this step because the chicken, of course, has its own fat that it cooks in. But I put it in there anyway. And take a can of Rotel. This is just the original diced tomatoes and green chilies. And I like to be really extra and get everything out. Then you got a pack of chicken breast tenderloins. And then they're all in there. So then we're gonna add our seasonings. We're going in with some salt. Regular black pepper. And I look like I'm being really heavy-handed, but I'm not. It's a lot of chicken in there. And I don't want bland food. Take some Worcestershire sauce. I think that's how you say that word. That's how I say that word. Take a little ground cumin. The camera doesn't want to focus on it, but whatever. Some Italian seasoning. And here I ran out, but like I said, I want to get the last bit of everything. Take some garlic powder. And I still didn't get any onion powder from when I ran out making my meatballs in my last video. So we ain't got none of that. That's why I added the actual onion in the bottom. Then I got a packet of ranch seasoning. Literally I was really nervous because the listening to, or looking at the ingredients I used, doesn't seem like it would make the most sense. But let me tell you, it was bomb. Spoiler alert, it was bomb. But once you get everything all in there, of course you come and put your lid on, and then we're gonna cook this on high for 4 hours. And wait, hold on, here we go. Alrighty, everything's done now. And look at that. It looks so weird. But it smelled so good, I promise. And then I'm just gonna go through and do a really quick shred. Pretty much just taking each strip and breaking it into 3 or 4 pieces instead of doing how I stripped or how I shredded the chicken when I made the Southwest chicken. I just wanted to eat this over some rice, So I wanted it to still be pretty chunky. That way when you eat it with the tomatoes and the chilies and the onions, you're not going to have a big mouthful of tomato and like a little teeny sliver of chicken because you shredded it so small. And honestly, you could just leave it whole, but I never do anything easy except for this. Thanks again for tuning in, you guys. Definitely appreciate it. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on that bell so you get notifications of when I post my new videos. And make sure you get the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.